Love Machine by Leilani Joy, Special Treatment version 1. We have bubblegum pearls in square beads that are sprinkled on her pink hair. We see that her hair is a heart shape, and so you can just basically follow any of the pink areas that you see on her hair and sprinkle it as you wish to give it a nice glow. For version 2 of Love Machine, in size 50 by 62 square beads, we now add square lime pearls and sprinkle it in the background. This gives it a nice subtle touch of adding more sparkle without distracting too much from the subject, which is the girl. And now for version 3 of Love Machine by Leilani Joy, in size 50 by 62 cm square beads, we now add labradorite crystals and place it in that bottle that she's holding, and also fill in the area where there's liquid dripping from her mouth onto the bottle. Now this basically makes it the focal point of this painting, with the labradorite crystals really sparkling the most.